without any doubt, the happiness that comes from the heart is produced with a good drink of tequila. So over time, how they made tequila has changed. Now, part of the process of making the delicious Mexican tequila is you have to cook the blue agave plant. It has to be blue, because otherwise it'll be mezcal, or a totally different drink. The old method of cooking it was done here, but of course this takes years. You know, to make tequila using this old method, basically this beautiful big stone hole in the ground, it would take maybe like 3 to 4 years. Then it changed to this bigger sort of brick oven where they cook the blue agave. And here it would take less time, maybe like 2.5 years of cooking. And then finally, the most modern way and quickest to make the most amount of tequila, because, well, they're trying to sell the most amount of tequila, is using this basically metal container over here. Now you see all of these pineapples? Guess what? They're not pineapples. This is the blue agave, but it's the part that you see under the ground below the blue leaves. They even refer to them as pineapples. Now what the good award-winning tequilerias do is once it's cooked, they'll put it under this rotating stone, which is called tahona, to crush it up, extract the juices, upon which they put it into a barrel with yeast to make it alcoholic. Tequila. And right in front of us, we have a beautiful vehicle. Belonged to a man you might know and love from history. Adolf Hitler. This was Adolf Hitler's car. He got too drunk one day on the Don Valente tequila, and he left it here. That's why you shouldn't be that big a drunk. You leave your German-made vehicle right here. Don't make the mistakes that Hitler made. Okay, so this is El Güero, apparently the best spot around Tequila to get a cantarito. It's real loud, but real cool. We're gonna see how this is. Okay, the drink is pretty good. It's not the greatest drink I've had in my entire life, but it's pretty good. It's got tequila, it's got orange juice, it's got, what else does it have?
Lemon.
It's got lemon and salt and probably some soda water or ginger ale or something like that. So we went to the main Jose Cuervo Tequileria here in Tequila, Mexico, and I can say with 100% certainty that Jose Cuervo is equally bad in Mexico as it is in America. Don't drink that shit. The end.